In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the power steering pump reservoir on this BMW X5. This is going to be located in the front of the engine. Let's get into it. Take this panel off. I'm just using some trim tool pliers. Pull the push pins out. Grab the panel, slide it off, and disconnect the connector for the mass airflow sensor. Slide that out of the way. These two clips, we're just going to use a straight blade screwdriver to get behind there. Pop those out, slide that off. Take these two bolts out, use a 10mm socket. Grab the airbox. Slides right out. And there's a clamp in the back here. We're going to loosen that up. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Take that off. There is a retainer that this wire is attached to. I'll just pop that off. Let's see, that was right there. Take the cap off, twist it to the left. I'm going to use a fluid extraction pump and extract as much of the power steering fluid as I can. All right, that's it. Looks good. And I'll just put the cap back on. There's two bolts holding the bracket down. Use a 13mm socket. Take those bolts out. See the bolt. And you can pull this out. Going to raise this up. I'm going to put a absorbent pad underneath to catch some of the fluid. If you want, you can use a little drain bucket. It's probably a good idea to put a drain bucket underneath just in case. Underneath, you can see there's a clip right here. I'm just going to use a pick. Try to get under there. We're just going to spread that. Just go back and forth. You can cut it off if you need to and just use a hose clamp later. Grab the hose, slide it off. There's a little bit of fluid. Then we're going to do the same with the other one. Loosen up the clip. Just use some pliers just to loosen that up. And pop that off. Using a 10mm socket, take this bracket off. Just loosen that. Slide it off. And we'll take the new one, slide it on, same way it came off. If you have to, you can loosen it a little more. We'll just snug this down. And if you need to make adjustments when it's on the vehicle, you can loosen it up and twist it either way. I'm gonna slide the tube in. There we go, that's passed. And just try to get this to line up how it's gonna line up. And I'm going to take these pliers that are going to tighten down this style clamp. And just squeeze it, lock it down. That's good. Otherwise, if you need to, put a new hose clamp on. Do the same with this one. Get this lined up. Push it on. That's good. And we'll do the same with this clamp. It's in the right spot. And squeeze it down. Perfect. Okay. I can remove the pad. Just wipe off any excess. Get the bracket lined up. Take the bolts, get those started. Actually, we'll get the other bolt in the bracket. Make it a little easier. Get this lined up. Get those started. And we'll tighten these down. Snug those down. Okay, those are good. Now I'm going to take this hose, get this lined up, slide that in place. That's over. And I'll tighten this down. Snug that down, that's good. Take the airbox, get this in position. Attach it to the hose. Latch that down in place. And these two bolts. Tighten these down. Take the wire, slide that in the retainer there. Connect the mass airflow sensor, lock it in place. Before we put this panel on, we're going to add the power steering fluid. Take the cap off. I'm just going to use a funnel and use the correct power steering fluid. You can check your owner's manual. Pull that out. You can check the level. We're going to have to do this a couple times. Pull it out. It's a little bit low. I'm going to add a little bit more. Check it again. Put it in there. And you can see we're on the dipstick. It should be in between where those two lines are. It's a little above right now. That's okay. I have the two front wheels off the ground. Now I'm going to go into the driver's seat and just turn the wheel back and forth about 20 times from stop to stop without starting the vehicle. Now let's check the level. Take that off, wipe it down. Pull it out again. And right now it's a little bit on the higher side, so I can take some out. I don't need that much, just get it right below that line. So you can adjust accordingly. And just wipe off any excess. Put this cover in place. It's lined up. Push the push pins in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.